Welcome to the Sasco Industrial Weighing Channel. Today we introduce the WB-PT, our premium portable weighbridge, engineered for trade, approved precision, and fast deployment. Delivery is simple. The weighbridge arrives on a flatbed truck or in a container, and each module is easily lifted using a standard forklift. Place the modules on a flat paved surface using lifting straps attached to the designated points. Each module is unfolded with the forklift following the step-by-step installation guide provided. Once opened, the modules are firmly bolted together, ensuring a secure, rigid structure. Next, the weighbridge is lifted slightly to allow installation of the load cells. Cables from each load cell are then routed back to the central junction box. Follow the detailed wiring instructions to complete the electrical connections. Precision and reliability start with proper installation. Finally, the steel ramps have fitted to both ends, making the weighbridge ready for use. Now it's time to calibrate. Normally, the law requires certified mass piece representing 20% of the total capacity to be used to ensure the system is accurate and legally compliant. This weighbridge is highly accurate, so achieving the required levels of accuracy for verification should not be an issue. Installation is now complete. The first truck is weighed, marking the start of a fully operational high-accuracy portable weighbridge. The weighing process is exactly the same as of any standard pit-mounted or above-ground weighbridge, and with all weighbridges, the truck should be driven at a slow speed onto and off the weighbridge. The accuracy of the WB-PT is consistent with the high accuracy on Sasco's other weighbridge solutions. The Sasco WB-PT is the ideal solution for projects requiring a trade-approved weighbridge, fast, portable, and built to last.